Right, this is our Christmas Eve bash, and you can see the prawns off a table. Okay, beautiful. And we have quite a photographic table here as well. Thank you. No, I don't need to do much talking. The show explained itself completely, fully. Okay? Sorry. Thank you. Must have been moving, yeah. This is the old table. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later on. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Yep. These are quite beautiful. Now, I haven't tried everything here yet myself, but some of the stuff people have quite peculiar taste. Okay, right, I'm gonna let you go. I'm going to go and eat now, and I'm going to catch up with you guys later on. Thank you. Absolutely brilliant.